guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an installation video. Today I'll be installing this 26-inch loose wave wig from Arabella hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to install this wig for you all. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and let's get into it. Okay guys, so here is the bag. It says Arabella hair on it. They got their branding on it. Okay, I see you. So let me show you all what comes in the little baggie. So you get a bag of treats basically. So it comes with a wig cap, edge brush, super handy. Everybody needs a million of these because mine gets so crusty. Hair clip. And this is a band you can use to tie down your wig to help melt it when you install it. I might use this today, I'm not sure. And a pair of lashes. So let's actually look at this here wig, you guys. So this is a 26-inch loose wave wig. Let me show you all. So I did already pluck the hairline a little bit to customize it. But here is the wig. It's a very beautiful curl pattern. It's super soft. This is the kind of curl I like because y'all know I do not like my curls too tight. So this is more my speed for sure. But yeah, nice thickness and all of that. I believe this is 210% density, so it is pretty thick, you guys. And the best part of the wig is this is a full 13x4 frontal. So y'all know a lot of vendors give you like a lace front to where you don't get like the full parting space on the side, but this is a full lace frontal. But we are going to go ahead and install this wig. I'm going to spray the lace with a little bit of lace tint to get it closer to my skin color. I'm only gonna do one layer. You really don't need that much at all, you guys. Okay, this is pretty, this is pretty. Okay, we got the wig on, but we are actually going to install this thing, you guys. We are going to do a super quick install using lace spray instead of glue because I don't want to deal with glue today at all. But yeah, it's cute, you guys. So I usually like to work in threes, but since I'm using lace spray, I might just go ahead and cut all of this lace off. But I always put like a slit at each temple and then take my eyebrow razor and actually cut the lace off. I'm just gonna take all the lace off now. Sometimes I do it like in sections, but we are just going to make this a super quick install, you guys. So let's just take all of this lace off. I know I make just the weirdest faces while I'm doing my hair. So before we do the middle, I'm going to go ahead and try to free my ears because as you can see, my ears are trapped right now. So you might have to create like a little slit between the lace and where the wig cap actually is, which is hard to show you on video, but okay, so that ear is free. Okay, so now let's actually finish cutting off this lace in the middle. So I'm just gonna be using my black lace spray to install this wig. And I'm just going to add lace spray where I want my wig. And I'm gonna guide it using my fingers. So let me show you all. So you see, it would just fall down my face kind of, but I'm kind of just smoothing it out using my finger. Putting it where I want it to be. So I'm going to blow dry this glue. I'm going to do 3 layers. So this is considered 1 layer. Okay, another one. We're doing just the same thing all across the hairline or where I want my hairline to be. I like to take a few inches off of my forehead because I have a really big forehead, y'all. Okay, so now we are on the 3rd layer and I always do this layer a little differently. So we're just gonna spray it like we did the other layers. Before I actually blow dry my hair, I'm going to put the wig where I want it to be on the glue. So I do still have a few pieces that are kind of coming up, but this is where this headband comes in handy. So I'm going to kind of try to melt my edges, not melt my edges. I'm going to try to melt the lace a little bit using this headband. Get it where I want it to be. And it does have Velcro on the back, but I like to tie these in a knot so it can be super tight across my head. And then I'm just gonna blow dry. And you can just wait and do something else while you just kind of wait for it to melt in your head. Or you can start styling the hair. So I'm adding a little bit of this slick stick to kind of slick all the hair back. But I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna wait. I think I'll just wait until my lace is melted to finish styling this hair. That's one thing I love about curlier hair. It's really not that much work to style it at all. But yeah, I'll be back in about 10 minutes, you guys. Okay guys, so it has been about 10 minutes. Let me take this thing off. So sometimes it is a little crusty, you guys, so I'm just gonna spray it with this olive spritz. And that's gonna take any of the ashiness away where the lace glue might have crusted up. And yeah, it looks good, you guys. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna do a side part. So let me kind of get the side part going. A little sweep over. Okay, so I'm going to take the slick stick and kind of slick this to define our part a little more. Okay, let's add a little baby hair because I love the baby hair that comes with a side part. Like, I love that little area. It's my favorite part of the side part. So, baby hairs. Okay, it's already coming together, you guys. It's already coming together. That part was bugging me a little bit, you guys. And I also want to pluck inside of my side part to make the side part a little more apparent and just pop a little more, be a little wider. And I'm gonna add a little makeup to it. Oh, it looks so cute. It's giving. It looks very, very cutesy. Okay, so I'm gonna hit it with a little water just to bring some of the waves back since I've been working with this hair so much. Oh man, and we should add like a little sideburn. I love a nice sideburn, you guys. I think they're so cute. Like, y'all that actually have sideburns are so lucky. But we are going to go in with a little mousse too. To really make the hair just give and eat. Okay guys, and just like that, we are done. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.